In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multi-home tasks in Asana. Multi-homing is a fantastic feature in Asana that allows you to place a single task in multiple projects without duplicating it. This can greatly enhance your workflow by ensuring that all team members who might be working on different projects have visibility on tasks relevant to their work. Let's dive right in and look at how you can do this. First, open the project where the task you want to multi-home is located. You can do this by navigating through your projects list or using the search function to find the particular project you're working with. Once you've opened the project, locate the task you want to multi-home and click on it. This action will open up the details panel on the right side of your screen, providing you with more information and options related to your task. Within this details panel, you'll notice a section labeled Projects. This is your hub for multi-homing tasks. Click on the Add to Projects button within this section. This action will initiate the process of adding your task to another project of your choice. The beauty of Asana's interface is that it's intuitive, guiding you seamlessly through these steps. Once you click on Add to Projects, a search bar will appear where you can type the name of the other project you think this task should also exist in. As you type, Asana will present you with a list of projects that match your input. Simply select the appropriate project from this list. It's as easy as that. Now consider this. Your task now exists in both projects. It's important to note that these instances of the task are interconnected. This means that any changes made to the task, whether it's updating the status, due dates, comments, or any other details in one project, will automatically be reflected in the other. This universal update feature ensures consistency across different teams and projects, minimizing confusion and keeping everyone on the same page. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully multi-homed your task in Asana. This capability makes Asana a versatile tool for project management, allowing for a high degree of adaptability to your workflow. There's no more worrying about syncing information or accidentally missing updates, as this feature simplifies your process, making collaboration efficient and effortless. And that's all there is to it. Now that you've mastered the art of multi-homing tasks in Asana, you can streamline your project management and enhance collaboration among your team. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!